At dahil po sa sunod-sunod na lindol sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas, pinaghahandaan ng may LGU sa Metro Manila ang pagtama ng kinakabahang The Big One.
Niyanig naman ng magnitude 5 na lindol ang Ilocos Norte pasado alas 4 ng hapon kanina.
Hindi po nalalayo sa magnitude 6.9 na lindol sa Cebu ang inaasahang lakas ng The Big One na pinangangapahang yayanig sa Metro Manila. Hindi pa man nakakabago ng Cebu, norte naman ngayon ang yanig ng lindol.
For today's video, we're going to discuss about earthquake preparedness. We all know that there are recent earthquakes that struck the Philippines this year. So here are the ways on how we have to prepare about this natural disaster.
So before the earthquake happened, I start by reminding everyone that earthquake can happen anytime. So it is important to know the risky areas around us like tall buildings, glass windows, and the shelves with heavy objects. So I also tell them to have a go bag ready anywhere. It includes flashlights, snacks, water, and important documents. So this bag is very important at any emergency.
So during an earthquake, it is important for us to stay calm and stay alert even though it's hard to do so. If you are inside, so stay away from glasses, from windows, or anything that could fall from above. So it is important to apply the damp covering also. If you are also outside, so it is also important to avoid from trees, from buildings, or any debris that could fall. So it is also important to cover your head and your neck to avoid some injuries. So being prepared and being calm can help you and others during an earthquake.
And now, here is a quick reminder after an earthquake. After an earthquake, you need to stay safe, stay calm, and stay alert. So, after an earthquake, you need to stay safe. You need to check yourself, your families, if there is any injuries. And you need to move away from the damaged buildings. And keep updated through the official announcement. Avoid using damaged structures. You need to keep updated to the official announcement and seek help if needed because your safety comes first.
Earthquake may be unpredictable, but preparedness is something that we can control.
So be ready,
Stay calm and stay safe.
thanks for watching!
Be prepared and ready.